Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you find a forgotten Gmail password on iPhone or iPad. So guys, if you are using any iPhone or iPad or other iOS device and you want to find or want to see your Gmail password, if you have forget, I'll help you. How can you do this? So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, there are multiple ways to fix your problem. First one is you have to open your settings here. Scroll it below. From here you will see the option of passwords. As you can see here, you have to click on this tab. Here you need to enter your iPhone passcode. And guys, from here, as you can see, here is the option of Google. So guys, when you have click on your Google tab, then guys, after this you will be able to see your password of your Google, and now you have to go back. And guys, another way is if you have installed Google Chrome, you have to open your Chrome option and you will see password tab on your Google Chrome, and guys, you will be able to see your Gmail password in that Chrome. So guys, if still not fix your problem and still not showing your passwords, then no need to worry. You have to open your any browser and you have to forget your Google password or Gmail password. Simply you will get a verification code on your recovery email or on your phone number, and simply you have to put that OTP on your Gmail, and after this your account will be recovered. So guys, these are the easy way to fix this problem. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.